Come here.
I don't know how much closer I can get.
Hello everyone!
Hi.
Welcome to this week's video where Dan has no idea why he's even a part of it.
Nope.
So, I'm here to tell you what you're doing today.
Okay.
This video is all about Dan.
Oh yeah?
No, it's not. But I do need his assistance because this is a very sought after video, a highly requested video, let me put it that way. And
I'm scared.
it includes you doing the voiceover for a makeup tutorial.
What?
Yes, so you're gonna watch my makeup tutorial, and as it plays, you're gonna narrate exactly what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, what I'm putting on, all of the above. Are you ready?
Yeah, what Milo said. No.
Well, this is your job today, my dear. You ready?
Yeah,
He's gonna do his best. He's gonna do great.
I'll try.
Hello everyone! Thank you for joining me for the sponsorship portion of this video. Thank you very much to Native for sponsoring. You guys have heard me talk about Native many times here, but now they have a best sellers pack. You can enjoy every part of your shower, from the body wash to the deodorant to the deo and body spray. Plus, their products are clean, simple, and effective, and will keep you smelling good all day. Plus, Native has a huge range of scents, so whether you like something a bit more feminine, a bit more masculine, or if you're kind of in the unisex category, everyone should be able to find something that they're going to love. Plus, if you want, you can always mix and match these scents as well. So if you want to use one scent for your body wash and then another scent for your deodorant, etc., etc., you can always have fun with the scents that way too. Did I mention my favorite, the sweet peach and nectar? This one right here. I'm a sucker for this one. It is so sweet, so delicious, so candy-like. Oh. Plus, their products are vegan and cruelty-free. The body wash in particular is made with plant-based cleansers, which I love. They've got citric acid in here, which keeps your pH balanced, so your skin is going to be ultra happy after you use this. The deodorant provides long-lasting odor protection. I'm talking up to 72 hours. Plus, it's aluminum, paraben-free. It's not sticky when applying. It goes on nice and smooth and creamy. And now their deodorant and body spray. This stuff is powered by air. It's easy to apply, provides instant odor protection, plus it can double as a body spray. I smell good. So if you are interested in checking out Native and their products yourself, like I said, they've got their best sellers packs available. It's normally $36 for the bundle, but if you use my link down below as well as my code THRIFT10, you can get your body wash, deodorant and body spray combo here for only $24. That is 33% off. So thank you, Native, for providing that to my viewers. I appreciate you giving that to them. And I really do hope that you guys will go out and try some Native products. They are fantastic. Like I said, I would never promote something that I personally don't also use and adore. And Native, it's one of those brands. I absolutely love them. I love their products. I stand by them. So if you want to support my channel by supporting my sponsor, I would very much appreciate it. Like I said, click the link down below and also use my code THRIFT10. You'll get your discount and also show support for my channel. So thank you all, and thank you, Native, for sponsoring. And now back to the video. You're ready?
Sure. I don't know any other products or anything that you're doing, so.
That's okay. You
Okay.
just do your best, okay?
Okay.
Ready, set.
Hi, I'm Cassie, and I'm putting this cream on my face, and yes, this is some good cream. Everywhere. You gotta get it everywhere. It's magical. It'll turn your face is the most beautiful thing ever. And then you gotta put this other stuff on. Yes. Oh, yes. The stripe formation is the most important part. If you don't do it in the stripe formation, you are doing it wrong. Then you gotta use your brush and you gotta paint it in there. This is gonna get all the cream into all those little pores. And so look, you can see how amazing my face is starting to look. Yep, and you gotta get everywhere. Either that, or if you don't get it everywhere, it doesn't work. It has to. It just works, people. Up, you put a little bit more because it wasn't enough the first time, so you gotta put a little bit more. You gotta make sure you gotta use that middle finger. Only way to do it. If you're not insulting the product like that, then you're not doing it right. Everybody knows that the middle finger works the best. Yep, and you gotta get your sponge and you gotta really sponge it in there. Again, this is like the third time. You gotta get every square inch. Either that or it just doesn't work. And you gotta fill in some more with the brush. Yes, painting my face. It's kind of like a painter would. Yes. Oh, you really gotta get it in there. Let me reiterate. Really gotta get it in there. With like 4 different brushes and 4 different mirrors. It's the most important thing that you gotta do. This is still the same cream. Oh, no, 5 now. I have no idea what's going on. Yep. And yep, yeah, you get it in there. Maybe there's some powder involved. I'm not sure. You gotta get that pencil and you gotta draw in the eyebrows. You gotta fill it in. You gotta make sure you're on fleek, as the kids would say, right? That's what we're doing. And yep, you gotta really get it in there. Make the eyebrows bigger, more serious, so that you know that you mean serious business. How will they know if you mean serious business if you don't have serious eyebrows? And you gotta pluck all the excess ones, because, you know, those little stray ones, like, people can notice. They see that, and, like, you don't want to do that. You don't want to have, like, the unibrow. And then we put on the misting glowing spray. Yes, mist and glow. Very hydrated. This is a close-up of my face. It is beautiful. And, yep, you gotta get some more cream. You gotta put it on the eyelids. This is the special eyelid stuff. And it makes you so that you can actually see through things. It gives you X-ray vision, actually. Yes. And this is the red stuff, okay? Now, the red stuff, it makes your eyes look beautiful. I think this is eyeshadow. Something like that. And you got to get the little wing formation, too. It's very, very cute. Everyone loves it. Yes. Also, by applying this, they can't tell you if you're tired or not, because, you know, your eyes are going to be red already. You got to put a little darker shade in there. Yes. You got to blend it. You got to make it all nice and blended and, like, get that smoky look. Oh, yes, we all love it. It's so beautiful.
Dead air.
We got to continue to put it on and, like, layer it. Yes, layering, ladies, is the most important part. If you're not layering, you're not doing it right. Yes. Look how beautiful and red they are. It looks like I haven't slept in weeks. Oh, and then, yep, you got to balance it out with a little bit of white, because, you know, you might have put a little bit too much on. But also, it helps with that fade. The fade is nice, and it really makes it, you know, pop. I think that's what they say. Makes it pop. Yep, you got a little, you know, you gotta put a little everywhere, you know, and you gotta mix that in. Yep, a little bit of light and a little bit of dark, and yes, it's beautiful. Love it. Serious eyebrows, serious eyes. This is how you know they're gonna take me seriously. Yes, you know, continue to blend it in, you know, maybe a little bit of something else. Is that a little bit of metallic I see in there? I don't know. I think so. Oh, yes. Yes, and you gotta make sure. Oh, there's some glitter. Yes, of course, you have to put the glitter. If you're not sparkling, you're not doing it right. It's my time to shine, as she says. And you gotta get it in the corners, and, you know. And now we're putting on the eyeliner. Yes, I know this stuff, and you gotta do it very carefully, because I know when I've tried, I've just poked my eye, so it's not fun. So you gotta do it very carefully. Yep, and then you gotta get the little wing in there too. Yes, perfect. And you gotta maybe blend it in. I don't know how that works. Of course, you have to do it with both eyes. Symmetrical as always. You don't want to be asymmetrical in this instance. Either that, or it just looks a little weird. Yes, good form. No poking of the eyes. And how beautiful these eyes are. Yes, and then you gotta do it on the bottom, of course. This is always the part that has always concerned me. Like, how do you ladies not poke your eyes out? I don't know, but I applaud you all. Yep, and then you gotta get the eyelashes going. Yep, the volume, and you gotta get the spread out. Very cute. Yes, and like I don't know if, like, by doing that, does it, like, help you, like, catch more dust and stuff like that too? I don't know. And you gotta make sure that they're all nice and even. Yes. You gotta touch up everywhere. Make sure that it's all good and nice and displayed and beautiful. Oh, and then we're gonna put some. Is that fake ones? Yeah, we're gonna put some falsies in too. Why not? I can't imagine how these feel. It would not be fun. I couldn't do it. I'd want to rip them out after 2 minutes.
It's like a bra for your lashes.
No frame of reference here on that one. Yeah, and then you gotta make sure that you do the really open up the eyes. Yes, get it in there. Yes, It just does not look comfortable, to be honest. You gotta get it all nice and looking good like that. Yes. Yeah, looking good. Why a million times? Okay, yeah. Look at that. So beautiful. Yep, and you gotta put the lipstick on. Yes. Gotta. Yep, a little bit of. Yep. Multi-layer, of course, gives it that definition and volume. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. Back to the serious eyebrows again. Yep, even more serious. Again, people know you mean business then. This is all about business. And then a little bit of that blue stuff. Yes, blue stuff is always good. I don't know what the blue stuff is, but like, it's blue and it's stuff, and it goes on the eyes, and it just looks like you're torturing yourself. I don't know how you can do that. Touching your eyeball a million times. How does it not get like dry? But no, it looks pretty. Yes, look at that serious business face. That is some like model material right there. Yes, you could do like an Herbal Essence commercial or something. I don't know. That's the first thing that just came to mind. Look at that beautiful smile. Then beautiful eyes. Oh, yes. Why did I not see this? Why did you not show me this? So beautiful. My baby's your best. Gonna get all the angles. And look at that skin. Look at that skin. Absolutely. Mwah. Beautiful. Yes. Look at the sparkles. Oh yes. Ooh, that was some shiny, and those beautiful green eyes. Yes. Look at that. Oh, I love it. And so that was me. I don't even know what I was doing. I'm trying to explain, I guess, with my very limited knowledge of what is actually going on.
You did great.
Did I?
Yes.
I don't think so. But I tried. It was nice.
This was the look that I did to go see the Barbie movie.
Oh!
So this was from
should
a
have
little
read
while
that
ago.
at the top, but yes.
I've already titled the video that he's
there
watching,
you go.
so yeah. So it was.
So I did see you that day.
You
kind of.
did. It was brief.
little bit, yeah.
It was brief, but
I was doing something else too that day.
yeah, I forget.
I forget too.
I think you're probably playing Magic or something.
I don't remember.
Yeah. Either way,
Yeah.
this is what I did. I didn't know. I filmed this video because this footage of the makeup because I thought I could use it for something, and then I remembered that you guys wanted to see this kind of a video, so I was like, perfect! We're gonna have Dan narrate, and hopefully you didn't come to this for an actual tutorial.
Yeah, because remember, you got to get the whole bunch of cream everywhere, every inch of your face. If your whole face is not covered, you're not doing it right. From the expert.
Clearly.
Yes.
Clearly the makeup expert here.
Yes, and you got to use all those different brushes and the 5 different mirrors and 5 different brushes.
I was putting a different product on each time I did that.
Like I'm supposed to know that.
I don't know. But yeah, so that was that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you to Native once again for sponsoring as well.
Yes.
Remember, use my link down below and also my code THRIFT10 if you want to get that percentage off. Dan can also vouch for Native.
Oh yeah, use it every day.
Delicious. So, yeah, I think
That's
that's...
sweet peaches. Mwah.
Sweet peach and nectar.
Yes.
Yes, don't forget the nectar.
The nectar, yes.
Yes. So we're gonna go. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, as always, I hope you guys are doing well. And until next time, stay well until then. Bye.
Bye. See you later, Space Cowboy.